Good day, everybody. It's Brian Terrian here with Christine and Ed, and today we are going to talk to you and help you understand a little known health club benefit that is available to a lot of people for free, oftentimes, called Silver Sneakers. Christine and Ed, thanks for joining. Um, so, This is a cool deal, and I know, Christine, you have been exposed to this as a user for a while of silver sneakers. Um, but perhaps you could give us some background on your experience, like, what it is, when you started using it, and then we can talk about how others can find out about it.
Well, Brian, let me go back even further than that. I actually received my disability 20 years ago, and it was a diagnosis of fibromyalgia. And at that time, Medicare did not have, the silver sneakers. They didn't have programs where you could, get some help. Well, now it's really cool because a lot of these places, these gyms where you can go and use your silver sneakers actually allow you to go and do pool therapy. And for someone like in my situation with the autoimmune diseases, and I have a lot of arthritis as well, this is a great way to be able to do pool therapy. And actually my rheumatologist told me that, getting out and walking is great, but actually getting out and doing this in the pool and walking in the pool is the best therapy for someone with fibromyalgia or arthritis.
Mm,
I've been, a member for maybe the last 5 years or so. But 20 years ago, the really exciting thing that I want to share with you is that because they didn't have anything like this through Medicare, it was really nice that a neighbor of ours had a heated pool. It was an in-ground pool, and she knew that I was really suffering with my fibromyalgia and invited my son and I to go down there. And I'll tell you, the reason I'm excited about Silver Sneakers today is because it is fantastic. When I would go down for that 1 hour every day, I was absolutely pain-free in the pool. And so for people that deal with fibromyalgia, this is an ideal situation. And even if you have to, go to your doctor and get a prescription so that, this will cover at a place that does have pool therapy, it is the best therapy ever.
hmm Yeah, because if you're not on your Social Security disability benefits yet, you wouldn't be Medicare eligible. And
Right.
silver sneakers is commonly available through Medicare plans, we found. Yeah.
Yeah, especially through the Advantage plan. So,
Mm-hmm.
I mean, this is a
Mm-hmm.
really great opportunity for anybody, going through those autoimmune issues especially.
Right.
It's awesome. But, I've talked to other people too, Brian, that, just want the silver sneakers so they can actually go and just, walk around. They usually have like a place where you can just, walk around the facility.
Mm-hmm.
And it's really nice because you can walk at your own pace. A lot of times that track is not busy, and people who are, running on the track are very respectful of the people that are there, with struggling to, walk and stuff. And it's fantastic. I mean, you
Mm-hmm.
can just get out and walk at your pace, and it's really, really awesome.
Yeah, I'm a big believer in water therapy. It's thanks for sharing that. And the on the bigger picture for those that are going through the disability approval process and maybe listening to this, or if you're already on it, one of the criteria for disability seekers and recipients is that you have conditions that are being treated and they prevent you from
Mhm.
working. And if you are active in a program like this and you happen to go through a benefit review, if you're already on disability, say, listen, man, I'm doing what I can, right? I'm out, I'm walking, I'm in pool therapy. So
Yeah.
in addition to helping you feel better, it'll help you secure your benefits.
Well, the other thing I like about being able to, go to a facility and use this is that, if you're out walking, I mean, there's so many potholes out there on the roads. There's traffic, it's busy. And
Mm-hmm.
on top of
Mm-hmm.
that, the one thing that we have in our neighborhood is dogs. And so I don't have to worry about getting bit by a dog.
Oh, right on. Yeah. Okay. So how does this work? Like who we talked a little bit about who is eligible for that, and at the end we'll show you how you can easily um, contact us and we can find somebody to walk you through it if you're not able to do it on your own. But how does this work? Like, how would somebody find out if they're eligible and find a location? Um,
Well, the first thing to be eligible for this is you have to be Medicare eligible. And then you would have to be able to qualify for one of their Advantage plans. It's only offered through the Advantage plans. It is not offered through the regular supplement plans. So you really want to, find out the difference between the two and, be able to understand how you can qualify for the silver sneakers. But first and foremost, you do have to be Medicare qualified. And then, you can always come to us at the Disability Digest. I mean, we have a lot of information. We have a lot of resources. We're able to, get you information. And I'll tell you, if I don't know the answer, I'm a hunter. I'll figure it out and find the answer for you.
right, right. Okay, so Medicare Advantage plans, and for those of you that are not familiar with Medicare Advantage plans, there's commonly Advantage plans available where you can have access to this feature, and there's no premiums associated, commonly no premiums associated with
Mhm.
Advantage plans. Right,
Correct.
Christine? Okay.
Yes, yeah, about 95% have a zero premium
Okay.
option. So,
So if you're in an Advantage plan, one, you're not paying a premium for it and you get additional healthcare coverage, but you also get access to silver sneakers.
yeah.
Um, so, boom, a lot of savings involved here. Okay, so I did do this. I pulled up the location finder, and this is on the silversneakers.com website. And if you go in, and I'm in New Jersey today, um, and you put in your location, you can see like here there's 1, 2, 3, 4 facilities within 7.8 miles that you can use your membership at. So if you are going back to your example, Christine, looking for pool therapy, maybe one of these, two of these, or have uh, water therapy and the others don't, but you can check them out and see where you could use them. Is
Well, they can check them out themselves, or they can call us at the Disability Digest, and
Yep.
one of us would be more than willing to look that up and make sure that we can get you covered. Especially if you're looking for pool therapy, we'll work it out to make sure that you can use that pool therapy because it's absolutely excellent.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, so first thing is you need to get on a plan or find a plan that fits you, that the Medicare Advantage plan, and then find a location in your area that you can use your silver sneaker membership at. I was looking back here. It looks like um, you get a membership code, right?
I
16,
believe so. Yes.
16-digit code. So then you would go to one of these facilities with your code, um, and be able to use it. Yeah, cool.
hmm
Um, Anything else you can think of that would be helpful to share with our audience?
I just highly recommend, at least looking into the Advantage plans. They have so much more than just the silver sneakers, but the silver sneakers is a really cool option in, helping you to take your weakened muscle state in your body
Mm-hmm.
and to get those muscles working again. Yes, it can be very painful in the beginning, but once you get going with that, it can really make a difference for you.
Mm-hmm.
And the best thing that you can do is to stay as healthy as possible, especially for somebody who's dealing with the fibromyalgia.
Great. Great. Good. Good. Well, thank you for sharing your experience and this background information for listeners out there. You can go to silversneakers.com and do all of this search yourself, or we would be glad to connect you with a Medicare expert and do it for you for free. Medicare experts work on your behalf to find the best plan for you and best options and then present them to you. If you take advantage of them, then that is great. If you choose not to, then that's certainly your option as well. But there is no charge for that because Medicare experts are compensated by insurance companies for working with the various plans. So it's a nice benefit for you to get expert advice at no cost. So just look below the video and you'll see the directions to do that. So thank you, Christine. Thank you, Ed, for joining today. And thanks, everybody, for listening to this video. And good luck with Silver Sneakers. Be well, get
Thank you,
healthy.
everyone. Make it a beautiful day.